Greetings from Radius Theme. Today we will install demo layout for Gamxo, a gaming and news blog WordPress theme. First, we will install and activate the theme. After purchasing the theme, go to your WordPress dashboard. Click Appearance tab and then Theme. Click Add New and upload the theme. Look for the .zip file. Gamxo.zip. After uploading, click Install Now. Then wait for few seconds. Click Activate after installation. After activation, we will install all the required plugin. Click Install required plugin from the prompt above. You will get a plugin lists, select all and click Install. Then click Apply. Great, all the required setups are done. Now activate all the required plugins. Well, now we will install the demo. Go to Dashboard and click Plugin tab. Click Installed Plugin. Now look for RT Demo Importer. Click Install Demo Content. Choose your desired layout. Then click Install. Make sure your site is newly set up, otherwise you will lost your previous data. It will take a little bit time to install. Great, you have unlocked the most ingenious theme for gaming and news blog. Gamxo has a unique UI, looks perfect for delivering gaming info in a deviceful pattern. Wow! Make your visitors' gaming experience more realistic and actionable. You can edit and customize any sections you want. Try out other demo layouts too. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and truly thanks for watching.